Hi, and welcome to the new Supplement Part Editor. The new Supplement Part Editor is clean, simple, and modern. The agenda today is very simple as well. We're going to talk about the biz, is the supplement itself, the challenges that we have, and the new editor. My name is Han Cao. I'm a programmer at Torpy Solutions, the creator of 12D model. Let's talk about the biz, the supplement itself. The supplement is the most powerful alignment amongst all softwares. It's the most feature-packed as well. You can use IP method, element method, or combined. All the smart features are built in. Computators, name paths, name positions, speed tables, supervision, and widening. You also can have change qualities and best fit geometry. Now I move on and talk about the challenge. One night in Brisbane, a long time ago, during the last conference, now we call technical forum. I work in a bar with some of my mates, Kiwi mates, and we saw two attendees was having a beer and having a good conversation with each other. And there was talk about how wonderful the supplement is, but they have a challenge between themselves. One guy said, can you work out how many clicks you have to do to create a 3-point arc inside a supplement? The other guy said, I bet I can beat you. Fast forward to present day, I think I can beat them both. Let's meet the new editor. The new editor is clean, simple, and modern. Now let me start 12D model. I have prepared a very simple data set here. I'm going to add some data to the view. You see this project is object tree. And to see more expanded data, I have to click on one of these tree nodes to expand them. But the other alternative, you can just go to the settings and select expanded to level 3. For this demonstration purposes, I'm just going to add everything to the view. Right. I'm going to create a new supplement. Going to select a model for it, center line, and give it a good name, main, create. I'm going to recreate the challenge here. So I'm going to see how many clicks do I need to create a 3-point arc. So start with the horizontal, 1 click to create a new part. This is 2nd click, 3rd click, 4 click. Select a point, click, select a 2nd point, click, select a 3rd point, and hit set. Voila! You have a 3-point arc. Now it's the exciting part. Let's see what the new editor looks like. To recreate this 3-point arc, let me just delete this part first. Just go and delete, set, and finish. This is the new editor. Look how big and clean it is. So it got a horizontal and vertical tabs. It got a bunch of icons and buttons on the side, on the left-hand side, and also a bunch of icons and buttons on the right-hand side, right? So let me just recreate the 3-point arcs. I just go to the right-hand side here and click on Create Arcs, and it's a list of all the arcs you can create. I click on the second icon, is fix 3-point, and start. You can see that it's highlighted the current position on the screen. And there you go. How many clicks was that? About 3 or 4 clicks. Yep. The good thing is you just keep doing this over and over again, right? So you have 2 fixed arcs, and of course the result is giving you an unsolved geometry. You simply go to line, and select the first row here and insert a free line between the two fixed arcs, and just click on the line and then go free line. Bang, there you go. If you're wondering about all these icons and buttons on the screen, let's have a look. Each of these rows equivalent to one part in the existing editor. You can see that it's delete, edit, property, active, visible. Let's just try something out. Let's say if I click on these visible buttons here, you see that the first arc is invisible straight away, right? So you don't have to hit the set button. So you can just very quickly go and toggle on and off the visibility of all these parts and things, right? Similarly, if you want to have a look at all the points inside the arc, you can just click on the property button. It pops up a panel about the location of these points and arcs. The edit button here, if you select it, you can recreate the arc at the end of the string, right? And the delete, of course, you can just delete it straight away. We can try that. Delete, and now we go back and recreate the arc. If you are wondering what the command box at the bottom of the panel does, let's try something out. Okay, the next step is I'm going to add a floating line from the end of this arc with the length of 100 and 0 rotation to the end. All right, I can type something quickly, and bang, you have a floating line from end created with the length of 100. That's what the command box at the bottom of the panel does. It's creating new parts. If you click on the help buttons, it lists of all the supported commands so far. In the future, we'll keep growing this list for someone loves command lines. There is a lot more to talk about the new supplement part editor, but hopefully the quick demonstration give you some idea of the new editor. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope you enjoy the rest of your technical forum. Bye!